interns, good evening. See, the topic that I'm going to discuss today is why internships. I think most of you would agree that it is because it is in the college curriculum that we have to do 2 months internships, maybe in post graduation, maybe in graduation. But if you see why internship, that may be one of the reason. But let me clear you the exact reason for internships. See, internships are today given in any setup in education so that you know to have a practical approach how industry works and you learn the nuances of industrial working. What nuances means? Like there's a schedule of starting the work, ending the work. There's a SOP, standard operating procedure, for doing certain something. So you learn that process. And in internship, when I come to the further enhancing why internships, apart from this. So if you see today, when you go to work in an industry, today it is lockdown. So it was not lockdown, you were going to the place, reaching at a time, starting your work, then there's a lunch time, there's a tea times in between, then it's the end of the day, that is the end of the day, calling off the work. So in between you do a work, you send a report of that, that's all the process and SOP that is coming into, timelines that is coming into. Now it's a lockdown. So work from home internships. So here also, if you follow standard pattern of a task in that particular time and send the report on time, so any doubts, you will have a mentor or a senior in your company who is from a lockdown at a distance will guide you. There will be a mentor from a college who will guide you, whether it's a topic, whether it's anywhere you're getting stuck. So in this internship phase, even from lockdown, you can follow a strict paradigm or pattern and contribute to it. Now, coming to the point that the purpose of internship is, yes, to learn the corporate culture, corporate functioning style, but more than that, since you are a fresher, the internship counts a lot in your career. How it counts? I'll tell you today. The internship that you do today, you first of all, as I said, learn a corporate culture and style, but you create a mentor for yourself. See, suppose somebody mentors you in the organization who is a senior. That senior today guides you the process, sees your sincerity, sees your learning ability, sees your responsiveness. And today when you go in the industry for a final placement, they ask you, from where have you done your internship? Can we have your senior's number or a mentor's number of the company you have worked? That time this internship counts a lot. They will also ask you what you learned in internship. When you are able to tell that, this see, yes, this is a person who can be fit in our organization, who has a wit and knowledge to understand. So internship today is not just for college purpose, but learning a corporate culture, and for future jobs you are creating a mentor or a referrer for yourself, that yes, he would certify that he or she has worked under internship, whether in the lockdown, whether this is a complete open phase when it was. So, and he has followed these norms, he was productive, he was on time, he was a team player. All these things help you in the first job. So don't just take your internships that, yeah, it's a college curriculum, so we are doing. No, you're going to go to the industry, it's a practical before the industry. And let me tell you other things today, that there are people who may ask for stipends. See, what is the purpose of stipends in internship? See, when you talk of this, are you going to contribute to the company in any way? Company is going to teach you first. You will say, no, but sir, we are giving our time. Company is also giving you time. Senior is giving you time. Stipends today should be where expenses to cover up, and that is stipend for. You're going to an office, you are spending something. You are you have to purchase something for going outside. You have to be a little dressed. So you spend on yourself and spend on expenses for travel. That internship covers. Internship is not a job-based salary that you are going to get and you are demanding that way. Have a first aptitude to learn. See, we have also done our internships. We used to say, sir, make us learn. Stipend is not an issue. See, when I interact with many interns, so what is going to be our stipend? I said, what are you going to contribute? Have I asked you? I'm going to make you learn. I'm going to give my time. I'm going to nurture you very nicely. And I'm going to give an offer letter initially. I'm going to give you a certificate in the last of completion and recommendation letter if you do well. A company is investing time in a time of lockdown when all the things are closed, when gradually industry has now started in relocking. Company has already turned out its many employees. Now they don't have time today for the interns, the employees that are left. If somebody is giving you internships, please utilize your time. Please utilize it to the fullest, because see, sitting idle in home, you can do 2-3 things. Either you can watch a Netflix or Amazon Prime, or you can play games like PUBG. You will not develop yourself. Or you can see motivational videos, read books. You can do some short-term courses from Coursera and Udemy. At the same time, do internships in lockdown, whichever company gives you. Don't see the stipend this time, because somebody is giving you work from home and contributing to your time. That is more time consuming Then when somebody calls you in office and dictates many people together, here it's one to one also, somebody has to mentor you at times. Look at internships as an opportunity to learn even when somebody is giving you opportunity from home. And as offer letter and certificate, with that take a learning, take a good mentor and referral for your final job. So that I would always stress, internship should not be taken as a college exercise to complete or an offer letter or certificate, but as a learning that today you go in the industry, you are creating a mentor, you are learning the industrial norms, you are becoming a better human being from learning many other things, because once you interact with people, once you interact with the group, you network with also the group, and you are in a part of a WhatsApp group of an internship and all. See, lot many new friends you make, lot new systems and process you learn. So try your best to make the best use of your time, because I can tell you in lockdown what I see today, internships are squeezed. Not many people have got internship. Those who got cancelled. Never lose hope. We as Aviana Group, I being the chairperson of Aviana Group, Dr. Ravindra Gupta, I have ensured the maximum interns that I could give the offer for internship. And see, if I would have taken 5-10 members, I could give a stipend also, but that's not an office-based internship. So they are performance-based stipends, but performance-based no targets we have not given. We're very clear on that. We don't want to load you with those things. We want you to learn. We want you to be mentored. We do not want you to take a stress. And I can tell you one thing, for all those who have worked with us till now, they themselves are feeling when they interact with me and the senior team, and we make even the team leaders in between your interns, so that you also develop a leadership capacity. See, if I choose 3-4 leaders and give them tasks and they get it done from all, they are tech savvy, they also have leadership quality. Others who follow them, it's not that they are followers just, they also see how a person groomed as immediate leader is following a thing, and I as a follower with him. This even trains you from the other side also, how a leader should perform even if he is given a task in a small time, be it an intern who is made a leader. Learn from all these learnings, and I can tell you it will be rewarding. We as a company always aim at to help interns. We have never aimed at making a business out of interns. I damn care for business out of interns. For me, interns means I'm contributing to the cause, who are going to be the future leaders or the future enterers of the industry. If I groom them, I train them with this kind of concept from home, and I can contribute to many. Right now we are having 4,000 plus interns in the industry with our various verticals, and each of them we are trying to see we contribute to the growth. And I will ensure that we have an HR company also who do good. We will ensure that we help them place in various companies when their placement starts. We as an HR consultancy never charge any candidate. We are known for it. We only charge companies. So we'll see that good ones we help place also. Your relation with us is not for internships only. Your relation with us is going to be for long, to help you out in your placements, to everything. Because colleges will do their jobs, but not necessarily colleges will get you the dream job or maybe the right job you're looking for. That time you can always look upon us for mentors, support, job offers. And I am assuring you, my personal connect, I may be busy on phones, some WhatsApp largely I reply. My whole team is responsive. Where my team is at times busy, understand they are also working for the industry for various projects. That time, yes, have patience, but if you're not heard, you can that time approach me. Normally my team always responds. So I can ensure you one thing, the internship experience which we are taking, I've given you the reasons why you should do internships, how you should take internships, and at the same time, now coming on to the point, be a positive individual. There are not a negativities I see in people. When today I see taking out small negatives out of things, and those negatives are so much. Sir, this person is like that person like that, I am feeling gloomy, I am not feeling good. You cannot see, negativity is not going to give you anything in life. Criticizing is not going to give anything in life. Be a solution provider, be a solver, be a positive thinker. If you are a positive thinker, you know to find solutions, you know to work out positives in all situations, you know to challenge all situations. This lockdown, this corona cannot scare you. It's for short time, it will go over. Maybe 2-3 months more we may have to be scared, and we may have to love to learn to live with it, with mask and social distancing and all those sanitizers and hand washing. But positivity is going to take you a long way. Your age is today that you have a WhatsApp, you have a Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Google. Various options are there for you today in life to spend your time. But social media use with certain restrictions. Don't use so much social media that you get addicted to it. Read good books. Read self-help books on positive thinking. Apart from positive thinking, do some short courses which you interest. Now this is the best time to do the short free courses from Udemy or from Coursera. At the same time, try to see the webinars you can attend, which have many free webinars going on. Try to see the courses apart from which I said, Coursera and all that, paid courses which are there, which you can do from home right now, because a lot of universities are giving online paid courses. Make this time so valuable and connect with all your friends and everybody, so that you don't have frustration and depression. See, today we lost a very good actor, Sushant Singh Rajput. money, everything, but depression. Don't get yourself into depression, whether it's the girlfriends, whether it's related to your stress of any other thing. Be positive in life in all circumstances and start your day with an affirmation. It will be good. 99%, or I'll say 90%, not 99, it will be good if you start with affirmation. If you say it's not going to be good, it's already bad yesterday, so it's going to be bad. Think it in this way. Organize yourself in such a way in this lockdown. You may get up at 10 o'clock, no harm. You get up at 7 o'clock or you get up at 5 o'clock. You have a rhythmic cycle in life. You are till late night, you are not sleep, you are awakened. So obviously you will get late, but fix this rhythmic cycle the whole day. Then that you don't get frustrated or you don't get depressed. Getting out of depression or keeping depression at bay is very important in this crucial time. If you are able to handle this well, my dear friends, I can tell you word is there for you. You are coming at times which is artificial intelligence, robotics, business analytics, Google and all the social media and Facebook, you got there with you at your disposal. Click of a second, you become viral for certain things. You get the viral news so fast and you become depressed also so fast. So take things naturally. Don't put yourself into stress. Life is great with so many things you will learn. So many people you will get lost in the time. So many new people you will add. Be very positive on all these circumstances. I've always seen and I always feel today's youth are taking a lot of stress. They should always think of the positive outcomes, positive side of the life. Life is big enough to enjoy. Don't let your life lose. Life is very precious. Parents are the first who don't have any selfish motive. They care for you. Rest can have motives in times, but parents will never have. Always trust on them. At the same time, live a day with affirmation. I'll make it good. I'll make it positive. I'll do something big. I'll next time speak on this, how to make it big on 3-4 areas, or you can plan your life in a better way. Today my main topic was an internship and some orientation on positive thinking of how to make things better. I hope this benefits you all. I'll give you the next video on how to really make yourself a valuable input in times to come with all proper planning in the areas of your constitution, that is your preamble, your business goals, your health goals, your social goals. This is my next topic which I discuss with you. Thanks to all of you. Signing off, Dr. Ravindra Pratap Gupta, Chairman, Aviana Group. Thanks. Bye-bye.